Morning बच्चों. In accountancy today we shall discuss the next chapter, that is valuation of goodwill. First of all, we would like to discuss what is goodwill. So goodwill means what? Goodwill is the name, aim and reputation of the business. So goodwill is the name, aim and reputation of the goodwill, and we can evaluate the amount of goodwill for every business. There are different methods in the chapter, in this chapter, by the help of which we can do the valuation of goodwill. The first method is average profit method. Number 2, super profit method. And number 3, capitalization method. So there are 3 methods to do the valuation of the goodwill. The goodwill is a fictitious, goodwill is an intangible asset. If you want to express this intangible asset into amount, into numerical figures, we have different methods by the help of which we can make the valuation of the goodwill. We can convert this intangible method into the numerical values, into money. So first is average profit method, second is super profit method, and third is capitalization method. If we will discuss all these 3 methods, first one is average profit method. Under the average profit method, there are 2 parts. Number 1, simple average profit method, and number 2, weighted average profit method. So, under average profit method, there are 2 parts: simple average profit method and weighted average profit method. Second is super profit method, and third is capitalization method. Again, in the capitalization method, there are 2 parts. Number 1, capitalization of average profits and capitalization of super profit. So if we want to discuss it once again, then we can say that there are 3 methods: average profit method, and this method can be divided into 2 parts: simple average profit method and weighted average profit method. Second one is super profit method. Third one is capitalization method. Again, the capitalization, under the capitalization method, there are 2 parts. Number 1, capitalization of average profits and capitalization of super profit. So let us discuss all these methods one by one now. First is average profit method, and under this, first of all, we will discuss average profit method can be divided into 2 parts. Number 1, simple average profit method and weighted average profit method. So first of all, simple average profit method. Simple average profit method. Under this method, the goodwill is valued at some years of purchase of average profit. Means we have to calculate the average profit for a particular year, and then it must be there in the question that goodwill is 2 years purchase or 3 years purchase or 4 years purchase of average profit of last 2 or 3 years. So in this method, if first of all we have to find out the average profit of some years we have to calculate, like average profit of last 3 years, and last 3 years profit are to be added and divided by 3. Then average profit, if we are asked to find out the average profit of last 4 years, then the total of last 4 years profit is to be done, and then that is to be divided by 4. If any year there is a loss, that is not to be added but that is to be subtracted. Now under this method, for example, goodwill is to be valued at 3 years purchase of last 4 years average profit. Now, this line must be there. Goodwill is to be valued at 3 years, 4 years, or 5 years purchase. Means that here we have to multiply by 3 years. If it is 4 years purchase, then we have to multiply by 4. If it is 2 years purchase, then we have to multiply by 2. But what is to be multiplied? Goodwill is to be valued at 3 years purchase. 3 means 3 times of what? Of last 4 years average profit. So we need to calculate the 4 years average profit. How we can calculate the 4 years average profit? The profit of 4 years must be given to you. That is to be divided by 4. That is 4 years average profit. There may be 3 years average profit of last 3 years. Then 3 years average profit is to be added and divided by 3. That will be the average profit. So in this method, first of all, we have to calculate the average profit, whether it is 3 years average profit or 4 years or 5 years, 2 years, 10 years. Okay. Then we need to calculate the average profit. Then average profit is to be multiplied with number of years purchase. That number of years purchase must be given in the question. If it is 2 years purchase, then it is to be multiplied by 2. If it is 3 years purchase, then it is to be multiplied by 3. When it is 4 years purchase, it is to be multiplied by 4. Take an example. Last 3 years average profit we need to calculate. Like last 4 years average profit we need to calculate. First, second, third and fourth. This year profit was 50,000. This year it was 40,000, and this year it was loss. So I put it in the bracket. It is loss. Okay, and this year again it is profit. So how we can calculate the average profit? Average profit means average profit of last year. If we need to calculate it, then the 4 years average profit is to be added. 4 years profit is to be added divided by 4. If 3 years average profit we need to calculate, then 3 years profit is to be added divided by 3. Here there are 4 years. So what will we write here? 50,000 plus 40,000. We'll take it here. 50,000 plus 40,000 minus 10,000 plus 40,000 divided by 4, because we need to calculate 4 years average profit. So it should be 120 divided by 4, 30,000. We have calculated 30,000 as average profit. Now we need to calculate the goodwill. And goodwill is to be valued at 3 years purchase of average profit of last year. Average of profit of last year we have calculated, that is 30,000. And now we have to calculate the goodwill. 3 years purchase means 3 times of average profit. So goodwill is 3 into average profit of 4 years, that is 30,000. So goodwill of the firm is 90,000. Goodwill of the firm is 90,000. So this is the method which is called simple average profit method. We are discussing the first method, that is average profit method, and under the average profit method there are 2 parts: simple average profit method and weighted average profit method. So now we shall discuss the weighted average profit method. Weighted average profit method. In this method, some years are given some weights, and those amount of profit of those years are to be multiplied by those weights. For example, goodwill is to be valued. Goodwill is to be valued at 3 years purchase of last 3 years average profit, and last 3 years average profit are given. Last one like 50,000 to that is 40,000, and 3 is 30,000. And the weights are given. Weights are also given in such type of questions. Weights, first year weight is 1, second year weight is 2, and third year weight is 3. First year weight is 1, second year weight is 2, and third year weight is 3. So how we calculate the average profit? Like profit, weight, product. Like first year, second year, third year. Profit is 50,000, then 40,000, then 30,000, and weight is 1, 2, 3. Okay? It is being multiplied with the weight. Product is 50,000. This is 80,000. It is 60,000. Then it is 80,000, and this is 90,000. Total product is 40. Take it 40. 40 into 1, 40,000. Second year weight is 2, so 40 into 2, 80,000. Third year weight is 30 into 3, 90. So it is 2 lakh and 10,000. Okay, 2 lakh and 10,000. Now average profit. Average profit is equal to product upon number of total weights. Product is 2,10,000 upon number of total weights 1, 2, 3, 6, total 6. Okay, so divided by 6. So this is 35,000. 35,000. What is 35,000? Average profit. How we calculated the average profit? Under the weighted average profit method. Under the weighted average profit method, some weights are given to every year. Okay, like first year 40,000 profit is there and weight is 1. Second year 40,000 profit is there and weight is 2. And third year 30,000 profit is there and weight is 3. So how we calculate the average profit? First of all, we need to calculate the product. 40,000 into weight 40,000. 40,000 into 2, 80,000. 30,000 into 3, 90,000. Total is 2 lakh 10,000. These are the total of profits, total of product, and this is the total of weights. So we need to calculate like this. Average profit. How we need to calculate the average profit? Total of profits 2 lakh. Total of product, that is 2 lakh 10,000 divided by total of weights 6. This is 35,000. This is the average profit. Now the average profit we have calculated, and we have to calculate now the goodwill. So goodwill is 3 years purchase. 3 years purchase. So goodwill is 3 into 30, 5,000. That is 1 lakh 5,000. So this is about the average profit method. And under the average profit method, both of the cases, whether it is simple average profit method or weighted average profit method, we have discussed both the cases. Now you shall try this type of question from the book. Till then, thank you. In next video, we shall discuss the super profit method. Okay.